Here's a cool place. You can stop right here. Look at this waterfall. Saw it, heard about just a little while ago, so I thought, why not come here? I'm gonna turn off my Jeep this time. I'm gonna get out and you can see this. Oh, ding, ding, ding. That's pretty nice here. That's probably about, I don't know, 40-foot drop, maybe 35, 40 feet, something like that. Not huge, but kind of nice. Comes down here to this really cool little area. It's nice out today, so very pleasant for first day of February. Nice spot. There's a lot of ferns, some maidenhair ferns and some other ones. Yeah, see along there. It's really nice. It's a nice day. I really like the moss too here. Trees like that going up. And you'll see a bird. Favorite thing. And anyway, there's the waterfall coming down. I'll get up closer too. So beautiful green. You come out here and you have the urge to take some of this moss, please don't. Just buy it. Store. Plus you never know what parasites you might bring with it. And it don't take very much to grow a whole yard of moss, if that's what you want. And it actually is kind of a low maintenance thing. I think I would work it in between plants and stepping stones and trees and things like that, though. It's just a big open area of moss. But I don't know. To each their own. Look at that coming down on that tree right there. There's some kind of peeled out. Somebody probably grabbed a hold of it right there. But moss doesn't have any roots, really. It has little things that it hangs on, but it's a little bit different than other plants. Lichen, on the other hand, does. Here's a kind of weird old. It's metal, so it's not as some of the older some of them, but yeah, little culvert there. Nice place, huh? Little trail going up and around. So I left my lights on. Now on the other side, down here is Highway 20. This is just a mile or two, maybe 3 or 4 before you get to Trout Creek. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's right around Trout Creek somewhere. Anyway, I'll get from back a little more now to get a little better view. Usually, can't see whatever it is in the camera, but well, waterfall's big enough. I can pretty much get it all in there, I suppose. Maybe I better look over here. What do you think? Kind of pretty, huh? Semi telephoto lens, as much as it is. Peace, brothers and sisters. Have a wonderful day.